pressure comes on, what you want to do is you want to get from your head. You don't want to think about it. You want to get into your mind-body. Okay? So think about it this way. Everything in the universe is a two-beat. The waves come in, the waves go out. The sun rises, the sun sets. Okay? When you get upset or pressured, the energy comes up, right? You get that adrenaline rush. Then oftentimes you go into your head, you start telling stories or negative worries, whatever. Your misunderstanding is you haven't caught the second beat. You haven't allowed it to beat down. What comes up must go down, right? That's a physics law. You need to allow that energy to settle down back into your body, down into the ground, so that you're like a tree that has deep roots. So when the hurricane force winds come, you don't get blown over.
Okay.
So it's not about shooting yourself and going into a should storm. That's being in your head. It's about learning how to be in your mind body. And one other thing is that each one of us already knows that. We have some situation in our lives where we do that naturally.